Siddiqui. You're watching CRS News. So on the occasion, we are at Darul Arqam School, Islamic School, Pratapgarh Road, nearest landmark coal store. What's your good name?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dunara from class 2nd.
Which school you are studying?
The name of my school is Darul Arqam Preschool.
About speech.
Republic Day is celebrated 26th January every year. On this day, India took a republic in 1950. Our constitution came into force on this day. We celebrated Republic Day, hosting the national flag and singing patriotic songs. This day teach us unity, equality, on love on this day. This
What's your good name?
My name is Muhammad Haris.
Which school you are studying?
The name of our school is Dar Al Arqam Preschool.
About speech.
Assalamu alaikum. They proud to celebrate Republic Day of India, 26th January every year. On this day in 1950, our Constitution of India came into force, making India survive in democratic republic. The Constitution give us right and teach us, and my dear friends, duties us responsible citizen of India. Our national flag, the Tiranga, stand for courage, place and truth. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jazakallah.
What's your good name?
Muhammad Hamdan.
In which class do you?
2nd.
Which school you are studying?
The name of my school is Dar Al Arqam Preschool.
About 26.
ये वतन अल्लाह की नेमत है, इसकी हिफाजत हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. My name is Dania.
Which school you are studying?
Dar Al Arqam Preschool.
Ma'am, what's your good name?
My name is Farid Fatima and I am the principal of Dar Al Arqam Preschool, Ceylon.
Ma'am, what's the message? What's your message for Republic Day?
As we all know that on this day our country constitution came into force. So I would like to convey the message to all the Indians that we have to take the honor of this beautiful day on to unity, fraternity, equality, मिलजुल के एक साथ हम सब रहें और प्यार मोहब्बत से to spread the goodness among all the Indians, जो कि हमारे इस्लाम ने भी हमें सिखाया है, to spread the goodness among all the people. So I want to convey this message among all the Indians.
Why do you celebrate, ma'am, 26 January?
We are celebrating the 26th January every year because our country constitution were made in 1950 and it is the longest constitution in the world.
What is your message to a public on 26 January?
That I already gave the message to all the Indians, to the public. They have to live with unity, fraternity, equality and spreading the love and goodness among all the people of the India.
What about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi played a very important role in making our India free from the Britishers, and he always uses weapon which is truth and non-violence to make our India free from the British rule.
How much time? How many times you prepare preparing for the school on 26 January for the children?
There are many of things which we are doing on the Republic Day. And firstly, we have conducted many different activities in the different classes to generate the awareness among the students of that they are the Indians, patriotism, and the importance of the Constitution. And what is Constitution and how it is important for them. What are their rights? What are their responsibility? What are their duties? We generate these awareness among by doing these kind of activities. Then we are conducting many programs on 26 January like unfurling of flags and many patriotic songs, as well as they are performing fancy dress competition, and role model of the our freedom fighters. The nursery kids are going to perform on that day, and like a teachings, we are explaining and discussing about the roles of the freedom fighters in our country with all our children. That
So, a lot of leaders. Who's your favorite leaders?
from the freedom fighter you are asking. Okay, so that is obviously the Mahatma Gandhi, because he always spread the means message among all the Indians that the love and the unity is very important for all of us. That in our country we have to love with love and unity. That is most important for every Indian, that will live with goodness, with love, with everybody. We don't have to discriminate among the people, what they are, from which family they belong, from which culture they belong. That doesn't matter for all of us. So we must live with love, goodness, and the unity in our country.
What's your name?
My name is Nosheen Fatima, and I'm the head in charge of Darul Ilham Preschool.
So, what is your message on Republic Day?
On this day, we celebrate Republic Day every year, 26 January, and we should spread the message of unity, brotherhood, and equality, and we should respect our constitution and know our duties, rights as citizens of India.